So starting off with the exterior of the bag, not only is it a duffel, not only can this compact down into a small, tiny bag that you can put inside of another bag if you don't need to fill it right away, but it also came with these backpack straps. I've always wanted a bag that's versatile enough where I can carry it with one hand, or if I have multiple bags, I can put this right on my back and go along my way with multiple bags. So the exterior of this bag is made with a polyester ripstop with highly weather resistant TPU film laminate and a durable water repellent finish. I have taken this on some kayaking trips in the past, and I gotta say I was not worried at all. I really do believe this bag would survive anything just short of a full-on plunge into the river. I just absolutely love the texture of this. Everything, including the seams, all feel super sturdy. Now I went ahead and pre-packed this bag because I want to show you just how much you could actually fit into this bag, which this one is the 60-liter black hole duffel, which they go clear up to 120 if you believe it. For quick access, you can go ahead and undo these backpack straps just like that if you want to have an easier access into the bag, which I will be honest, I typically don't, because these things just kind of fall to the side. I really don't need it. So let's open it up and see what everything I got packed inside this bag. It fits a 15-inch MacBook Pro laptop in it. What I went ahead and did is I wanted to see if I could fit 7 days worth of clothes in this bag, and I think I did. Let's find out. I'll start off by pointing out these straps here that you can really cinch down and get your clothes more compressed down into it. And I'll even add that I think I could have packed these clothes a little bit more efficiently, whether that is to roll them, like, you know, sometimes a lot of people like to roll their clothes like that. I just kind of did a fast, easy fold and put most of my clothes in here actually. So 1 pair of jeans, 2 pair of jeans, 3 pair of jeans, 4 pair of jeans, cargo pants, and then I went ahead and threw in some underwear, which I counted 7. Let's see if I'm right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I have a pair of shorts, 2 pairs of shorts, some Nike sleeping pants that I like to have, more socks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here's the other strap that's kind of compressing some of these shirts. I have 1 long sleeve shirt, 2 long sleeve shirts, 3 long sleeve shirts, t-shirts, 1, 2 t-shirt, 3 t-shirt, 4 t-shirts, and there's even zippers up here, extra storage compartments, which I did not add anything into those yet. I have some business cards I left in there. I always leave those in there. Extra storage space up there. That mesh material, you can put your toothbrush and what have you up there. Also, you have the front zipper here that I have not talked about. But you also have access to it on the inside of the bag as well. Like so. So if I reach in through the outside here, it goes all the way in through. So that way, if you have something in the bag, you can kind of have it in the in-between place. So you don't have to take all your straps off just to get into this compartment. So it's a good place to store like a phone if you need to, or your wallet or passports, whatever you need that's easily convenient right there. So all these extra loops here, you can put a carabiner through it and, you know, carry extra water bottles or just anything that you want to strap to it. Also, I love how each end of the bag has these handles to it. Carried it on either side of the bag. It's easy to just toss in and be on your way.